Hello everyone, I am Satish Kumar, lecturer in English in Suraj School, Mahendragarh. In today's video, now I am going to tell you about advertisement. Okay, advertisement is a medium of getting information through newspaper, magazine, TV, radio, cinema. Okay, you know very well that how many kinds of advertisement. In my last video, I taught you the definition and types of an advertisement, and after that I taught you about the structure of an advertisement. First of all, you should mention advertisement word in capital with black pen. After that, you should leave two lines between advertisement and title, and after that you should write content not more than 50 words. After just completion of content, you should make a box. Okay, after that I taught you about some characteristics which are related to advertisement writing. Okay, after that we have discussed about the first category, lost and found, some major points regarding lost and found category. If you lost anything, then you should mention title lost and found. If you found anything, then you should also mention title lost and found, but your content should begin in this way. If you lost anything, then your content should begin from the word lost. If you found anything, then your content should start from the word found, and after that you should give physical description and tell about the item. When did you lose? When did you find? You should write all the things when you will write content, and with contact address and phone number, and after that box. Now in today's video I am going to tell you about an example which is related to lost and found category. This is a question: lost on Monday 10th May 2021, a wristwatch. You should highlight the main point when you read the question. Titan with golden dial and golden chain somewhere between Mahendragarh and Rewari while travelling by bus. The finder may please contact Ravi, 15 Diwan Colony, Mahendragarh. Okay, we should write, and after that or dial 9234 567800. After that, we should attempt the question according to the structure. You know very well that we should start advertisement from the word advertisement. We should mention word advertisement in capital with black pen. After that, we should leave two lines between advertisement and title. When you lose anything, then you should write title according to this category. The category is lost and found. You should mention title in capital with black pen. After that, you should leave one line between title and content. I have already told you that when you lose anything, then you should start your content with the word lost. Lost a Titan wristwatch. You should give all relevant information according to the question. If no information is given in question, then you should write all details according to your own way. Titan wristwatch on 10th May 2021, Monday. It has golden dial, golden chain. It lost somewhere between Mahendragarh and Rewari while travelling by bus. The finder may please contact Ravi, 15 Diwan Colony, Mahendragarh, or phone number. When you will write the content, you should provide all relevant information regarding the question, regarding the topic. Diwan Colony, Mahendragarh, or phone number. You should write the phone number according to the question. If no phone number is given in the question, then you should write phone number according to your own way. After that, you should make a box. Okay. When you will write the content, then you should remember some points, some major points, like you should write title according to the category of an advertisement, and your content should provide all relevant information regarding the caption. Okay. Your content should not be more than 50 words. Okay. Your content should give all relevant information, like when you lost, when you, where did you lose, and what things that you lost. You should give the answer of all these questions. Okay. In today's video, we have discussed about an example which is related to lost and found category. First of all, you should read the question in a proper way. After that, you should highlight main points in the question, and after that you should write content according to this way. You should mention advertisement in capital with black pen, leave 2 lines between advertisement and title. You should write title according to the caption, according to the category. Okay. And after that you should write content in a proper way. Your content should give all relevant information regarding the caption. Okay. At the end of the content you should make a box. Okay. This is an example which is related to lost and found category. In the caption, you lost a Titan wristwatch is given. Okay. Then you should write the content, lost a, according to the question, lost a Titan wristwatch. In my next video, I will tell you with an example which will relate to the lost and found category, but in the second example you will find a briefcase. In my next video, I will tell you the second example which also related to the lost and found category. That's all for today. Thanks and have a nice day. Okay.